So this is the look. I know the yellow looks kind of dumb. He has like yellow there, and it's like bruising, but I don't know how to do it, but yeah, this is Steve Harrington. Those are your things. Happy Halloween, guys. It is Halloween right now as I'm recording this. So yeah. Has any bruising underneath, which is really weird. But it's like yellowish, but it's not like bruised. Which is weird, because I want to do a base of bruised makeup, but he doesn't have a bruise. It's just like yellow. Oh, it's kind of bruised. And the lid. So, to do that, I'm gonna take some. We're gonna take some purple and take this kind of blendy brush, because we don't want it to look like eyeshadow, you know what I'm saying, and just put it in the dark. He has some yellow, and for yellow, kind of hard to pack it on, but he has yellow like right under here. Blood AF. This is not the one with blood in it. We have 2 contact boxes. This is the one with blood in it. I just got like shitty vampire blood. Like, you don't have to be extra, you know. Okay. I'm gonna get some red, some bright red. Kind of put that. Hold on, let me look at a reference again. Yeah. So I'm gonna take some toilet paper and kind of rip it up into tiny, tiny little things, and then glue it down. Oh, and also even in half, the toilet paper in half. And put it in tiny little like speckles, like there's one on his like end of his eyebrow. So I'm gonna try and not glue this onto into my eyebrow, and then yeah, some blood there. And so, yeah, I'm gonna take this vampire blood, and I'm gonna take it on a paintbrush because I don't want it to run. Ah! I don't want it to run rampant through the streets.
Finally forgetting you. Sick of sitting in my living room, pretending that my innocence is anything but in pursuit and infinitely intimate with any chick that seems like you. It's kinda sad, but now I see right through that little.
Take some I'm gonna take some paint and we're gonna color all the toilet paper black. So we're gonna get that wet and we're gonna just color right over it.
Weak IQ that you love to show off so much. I mean, honestly, it's truly quite awful, but it makes sense that the orbit that surrounds you probably already attracted a simple clowns who would certainly forget you in the space of a second. If they were faced with a second option, it made an impression, even closely resembling that kind of blatant aggression that they display in the presence of any vacant contestant for that game called Lazy and Restless. It's the one where you're a memory with hazy intentions that gets left in the past with no payment of mention or even mind for the dirty acts you gave to these nitwits, but never mind. Ain't it funny how you fucked me over? Left me behind when you kept on going, but luckily I landed on a 4-leaf clover and sustained an injury that left my Teflon.
You know, a little bit more. I'm gonna add this to the like eye wound. So yeah.
On show and I said, ain't it funny how you fucked me over? Left me behind when you kept on going, but luckily I landed on a 4-leaf clover and sustained an injury that left my Teflon showing. I'm forgetting you.
Like, my hair's been in a wig cap all day, so it's kind of flat, so I'm just trying to... Oh yes, that's the one. Oh, it was so good for a second. Alright, well, I'll just like keep it like that for right now. But yeah,